In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for a Walgreens job online. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Google like you usually would. Then from here, you need to click in Walgreens job. Then from here, you should look at something like this. Then you need to click on the first link up here, and then you'll have the opportunity to search jobs. Here you can add in keywords, the location of the specific Walgreens that you want to work at, and the radius between the locations. Then from here you can click search. Then from here you'll see up here you'll have 14,000 job result. And here you can either go to filter result, where you can select what kind of job you want inside of Walgreens. You can add specific countries, the state, the city, the remote posting, the division, and the hours per week. Then from here you need to select the specific job that you want to apply for. Let's say I want to apply for pharmacy manager in Kennewick, Washington. Then from here, you'll see the job summary. You'll see it's a full-time job. You'll see the specific address of the job. And you'll see the job responsibilities. Down here, you'll also see basic qualifications and the about section about Walgreens. Then from here, it's time to apply for this job. And if you scroll up, you'll see the apply button up here. If you click on that, it will take you to this website where you have the option to either choose to sign in with your LinkedIn profile or your Facebook profile. You can also log in with an email address and a specific password. If you don't already have an account inside of the Walgreens job applications, you'll need to click don't have an account yet. And here you'll need to accept the privacy policy and write in the email, a password that must be between 8 to 25 characters, and re-enter your password. Down here you also need to answer security questions where you can choose between any of these, and you need to answer truthfully. Then you need to click continue. Then from here you'll log into your account and you'll have the option to upload your resume and a little bit about yourself. Then from here you just need to click the big red button called apply for job. When you click on it, you'll probably get an email address that Walgreens have received your resume and they'll be in contact soon. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!